Good morning, boys and girls. We're going to continue working today, adding by tens. And let's just count by tens to start, just to get us going. We're going to start from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Remember the pattern. After 100 is 100, 10, 100, 20, 100, 30, 100, 40, 100, 50, 100, 60, 100, 70, 100. Oh, I forgot the 100. 180, 190, and last but not least, let's write this a little better so you're able to see it. 190 and 200. So I circled some of them of your some of the ones in your independent practice. I want you to do the ones that I circled. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this because they go up to 100 or go a little bit higher up to 120. I don't want us to go too crazy with it. Okay, but let me show you what this looks like. Just like we did yesterday, it's just that this time we're actually going to go up a little over 100. Okay, so if you have this, okay, what does that look like? 30 plus 20. I have my little blocks here that represent 10. Okay. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 30. And on this side we have 10, 20. So 30 plus 20 is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And that's what we have there. That's 50. Because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay? Now, let's do another one. Okay. Now, let's say we have 50 plus 30. I'm going to need 5 tens here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Plus 30. 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to add them together because that's what plus means. We add them together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. And this is 80. That is the answer. So I guess the question is, what happens when you add and it's much, much higher? I don't even have that many sticks to go that high, but I can do a drawing. Let's say we have 60 plus 50. Right? So I'm going to need 6 tens. I can just do little sticks, and each one represents 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Plus 50. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, so the same way I did with the sticks, with my little bars, I'm going to do with these. And I'm going to count 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And if I'm not sure what comes after 1 more after 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So this is 110. Okay? I'm going to do one more. What if I have this? 70 plus 40. The same way that I did here, I'm going to draw this time. You can use anything to represent 10. You can use little pennies, you can use little beans, you can use anything at home that can represent 10. So here, 70, I'm going to represent by I'm counting by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. I have my 7 tens. Now I'm going to do 40. 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay? And finally, I'm going to add them all together. Okay? You have to remember this is the pattern. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110. So this is 110. It is just coincidence that I got the same number. I actually meant it for it to be a different number, but it didn't work out. I didn't do the math right in my head. Okay, but here you're going to have some that are below 90, but below 100 that you can do, like this one. And there are others that you're going to do that go above 100, like number 19, but that's okay. I want you guys to give it a shot. Give it a try and see how you guys do. So I don't know if you guys want to take a screenshot right now. I'll leave it there for a few seconds. These are the ones that I want you to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 17, and 19. Okay, if you have any questions, guys, let me know. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.